Tunnel vision, baby.
If I give up on myself, that's giving up on the universe. In return, it give up on me. No more signs, no more new alerts. I'd be haunted by what if I went after what I wanted. Daydreaming about that nightmare is what prompted me to keep it going. I'm determined to see what life would look like as the best version of me. I want a body that looks sculpted like a statue. I wanna not respond to everything if I don't have to. I wanna heal the trauma from my childhood, I'm pissed off. I wanna learn to snap less and use Wim Hof. I wanna celebrate myself instead of waiting for others. I wanna be a better friend, better son, better brother. I wanna stop thinking that I gotta go through hell to get the credit I desperately need to give to myself. Across the board, I wanna see what my best is. I wanna prove it to myself that I can get this. Tunnel vision,
I've been
blinders on.
priding myself